Hello viewers and welcome back to Golka TV. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and put on your post notification bell so every time we have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And on Golka TV, we publish new interesting videos every day, so make sure you're part of us and don't forget to like, share and drop your comments in the comment section below. I just came across this rather hilarious or crazy clip, should I say. It shows this Yoruba lady. She's practically begging to have sex with the popular Yoruba activist Chief Sunday Igboho. The video, she's saying, she just wants to have sex with him, even if it's just once. I don't even know if this one a case of Yaba left or the village people. As my Yoruba people will say, this one will be ordinary eye. If I say village people don't enter this woman matter, I be how you not see her. Make una help me choke mass for this matter. This is just very, very crazy. This serious issue we all dealing with in terms of the Yoruba security and threats from Fulani headsmen, and this woman is just here talking on all kinds of nonsense. Anyway, drop your comments in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video.
Sunday Igboho níbo ló wà? ẹ̀kọ́ péré ti tó mi, ẹ bá ń wá o, ẹ bá wá ẹ fún mi ládírẹ́sì, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣàánú bò mí o.